very comfortable in the strategy that I have. As you can see, this week was very profitable. I don't think there's any trader
who will lose more than $5 using this actual strategy, because today I'm going to show you how to make money when the market is going down with this actual strategy, and also how to make money when the market is going up and get up to 100% winning rate using this actual strategy, so that in the next 6 months you can also be able to buy your Mercedes-Benz or Porsche. And the best thing is that this actual strategy is very easy to actually copy and get winning trades again and again. All the settings of these two indicators I'm going to give you in the next few minutes, but first let me show you how you can actually make money with this actual strategy, so that you can feel comfortable printing money day after day while its brokers are crying. So the first thing you can see is that these are not normal indicators. They have very powerful settings, because you can actually see when gold is above these actual two indicators, it actually stays above it for a very long time until it actually crosses right here. Then it continues to actually go down, staying below these actual two indicators. So first, what we want to see is the black moving average above the blue moving average. That means the market is in an uptrend, so you only be focusing on buy trades. So as gold is now above the two indicators, you want to see it forming a retracement or forming a high just like this one. So a proper high that you want to see is when you have the left candle lower, and also we have the mid candle higher, then you have the red candle lower. Next, after this actual candle, you must also see another candle which must be lower than this one. So that means when you have the highest candle, you must have minimum 2 candles on the left and also minimum 2 candles on the right for this to qualify as a high. Now looking closer on this actual trade, you can see there are 2 candles on the left side of this actual candle, which is the highest candle. Then if you look to the right side, you can also see there are also 2 candles on the right side, which actually means this candle qualifies to be the high. Now what we want to see is the candles going up and closing above this actual high. This way you enter with your stop loss below the most recent low that we have before the gold candle actually closed above this actual high. When entering your buy trade, try to be as close to this actual high as possible, which means when the market is coming down to actually reject this level, this is where you enter so that you can actually have maximum profit. I'm going to take you step by step, going through one trade after the other, so that you can fully master this actual strategy and never lose even $5 with this actual strategy. So as gold is going up, you can actually see that you have this actual candle. It has 2 candles on the left side which are lower, but if you look at the next 2 candles which are on the right side, this second candle is actually higher than this one, which means this does not qualify as a high. So with that, you continue looking for a next candle, and you have this one right here. It has more than 2 candles on the left side, and then you also have 2 candles on the right side which are lower, which means this actually qualifies as a high. Now you wait for gold to close above this actual high, and that happened exactly right around here. So when I put a horizontal line like this, you can actually see it clearly that this actual green candle right here is the one which closed above this actual high. Sometimes this is also what you have to do so that you cannot miss an opportunity like this. Your stop loss will be at the most recent low, which is this one. Once you enter right around this actual entry, you hold your trade as the market is going into profit. So far right now, we have 1, 2 winning trades, but this might not stop you from entering other trades as long you see 2 candles on the left side and also 2 candles on the right side which are lower than the mid candle. Always use this opportunity to enter more trades, because this other strategy is very accurate, and if you use the settings which I'm going to give you in the next few seconds, you are guaranteed the next 6 months are never going to be the same. You go from walking, taking a taxi, to driving a car, from renting to buying your mansion. Now as you're going, you can see this was the winning trade. Then we also have this one which is very clear, 2 candles on the left, 2 candles on the right, and then you end your trade right around here, make profit. Now the higher we go, you can actually see that the actual trades are actually becoming smaller and smaller, and also the retracements are now coming closer to the stop loss before they go into profit. These are some of the signs that the market is about to actually turn and go go the opposite direction. But since you've already won almost 100% of this actual trade, you don't need to worry about entering another trade right around here, because your stop loss will be just below this actual low. So when the market turn and go this other direction, right here is where you get out. Out of 10 trades, you win 9 of them. Now imagine using this actual strategy for the next 6 months. Buying a Mercedes-Benz or a Porsche is very possible. All you need to do is have the correct settings of these actual indicators. Let me give you right now. Right here, period is 5, method exponential, apply to close, and color black. The one which have the crazy settings is this one right here. Period is 20, method exponential, apply to high, and color blue. As you can see, if you look closely, these are not the normal moving average settings. With these settings, this is how you win, sell trades, and also buy trades. Second, you also need to be confident and believe that with forex trading, you can actually change your life to go from walking, taking a taxi, to actually driving a Mercedes-Benz. Since you're going to be making money, make sure to use a good and reliable broker so that you can actually have your withdrawals on time and also trade with peace. The link of the best broker to use is in the video description. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.